Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to set up custom domain to Blogger with Namecheap. Now I am going to blogger.com to create a Blogspot account first. Next I am logging in with Gmail username and password. In the left side click the drop down menu and scroll it down, then click new blog. Enter your desired blog title and blog address and also select a theme. Click create blog. Next click settings, choose basic. Click the set up a third-party URL for your blog. Enter your domain name. Adding www is a must one. Then click save. Now Blogger provides two records and we need to add these two records in the Namecheap account. Go to Namecheap website and sign into your account. Click the manage button. Next click the advanced DNS option. Here we have www name record already, so we need to change just the value. To do this, return to Blogger and copy ghs.google.com from host www. Return to Namecheap and paste it in the value. Next we need to add second record. Return to Blogger and copy the second host. Go to Namecheap. So click add new record. Choose CNAME and paste it in the host field. Add value of second record from Blogger's second destination. Remove the URL redirect record. For my convenience, I am setting the TTL value to 5 minutes for the two records. Now return to Blogger and click the save button. If Blogger not responds, click cancel and again save. Sometimes domain may take 48 hours to set in Blogger, but mostly domain will set within 10 minutes in Blogger. When settings saved successfully, again click edit. Enable the checkbox and save it. Next is optional setting. It helps to redirect example.com to www.example.com. To do this we need to add 4 Google IP address at Namecheap using a records. Go to Namecheap. Click add new record and choose a record. Type at symbol at host. For the value, copy the first Google IP address and paste it. Follow the same procedure for other 3 Google IP address. Now type domain name in browser to check all are working right. Next we are going to set HTTPS in Blogger. In the basic settings, set HTTPS availability to yes. Wait for some time and after that reload the page. Now set HTTPS redirect to yes. Now again view blog. And you can see blog is loading with HTTPS successfully. That's all friends, thank you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share our channel.